Why didn't you always know, guys? It turns out this way. Our house lights, so like a 5-star hotel, guys. So the touch sensor is really cool. So like in hotels, stay touched, just live. Touched again, dead. How to make it? Just right away, guys. So especially for its touch sensor module, we use TTP module 223 like this. Well, this is really cheap. Yeah, about 900 silver. Well, we put it like this. To turn the lights off and on, we need a 5-volt relay module, like this, guys. Turn off this relay module for about 3500. This is there, I already put the cable you read. Black precision negative. Green is it's in. Well, now we try to install in the circuit TTP23. Well, especially here for this green one in. We put Q, I or O, yeah, like this, yeah, this is in or out. Well, next we're gonna try to install for the ground. Black color, it's negative. We equate ya. Ground of TTP ka ground relay. Well, for the position is also the same as this, guys. Well, once it's become like this, now we're gonna try to plug in for the input. So guys, for this module input, we need a voltage of 5 poles so he can work. Relay and also the module. Well, so we just use HP Kasan, guys. Yeah, later. Yeah, okay, like this we just install it. Well, we just plug it into parallel. In input from this, guys, yeah, this is ground. Ground Kasan. HP we install in ground relay. And the PCC we join also, yes, here. Kasan HP plus. To the position of the relay module. So this is parallel between the relay module and also TTP 223. Okay, here we put it again. Nice, already installed ya, guys. Yeah, this is already, so guys, for a series like this. Well, now we're gonna try to kopotin, and we'll try the test in the house lights. Well, so guys, if you often stop by the hotel, he usually uses a touch sensor. Like, this is how it works, guys. Yeah, this is her house lights. You guys notice, this house lamp has the switch. This is an example of a switch. Yes, I cut these two, so switch ya. Now we'll try to plug this into another module. Well, this we put like this, yeah. You guys notice set normally. Close and also common like this. Okay, normally open to no papaya. Normally close also not the papa. Important thing is in the middle, guys. You put like one. Okay, this is so for the series, guys. Yeah, now we're gonna try. Tell me how to use it. How to use it, we want to prepare. Kasan HP has voltage to turn from relay module and also sensor. But 2 or 3, like this. Set, okay, he will light up. Well, watch it get touched. She light up. Okay, next we put in the light like this. Automatic live. Well, now we test set. Okay, but tick touch dead. Well, so guys, for this sensor, you can put behind the plastic. For example, you can use, this is Yamika. Like that can, guys, yeah, he can connect anyway. So she can be sensitive like this. Okay, I'll try to put a box or plastic in. In front of the module, I put plastic mess. He keeps reading, guys. See, y'all cool, right? Okay, if this video was helpful, don't forget to share, guys. Okay, good luck. If you have any questions, please ask. To request a video, please comment, guys.